Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locating your booking reference or e-ticket. That's the key to everything. Once you have it, sign into Manage Booking on Qatar Airways or open the confirmation email so fields are visible. Make sure to check the fare rules now. Some fares allow free changes, others charge a fee or require a fare difference. Doing this upfront saves surprises when you change dates. Next, choose the new dates you want before proceeding to avoid losing availability. You now go into Modify Reservation and pick the passenger, S, and segment to change. Select the new flight date and time and compare cabin options. Upgrades may require additional payment. Once you pick flights, the system shows change fees, fare difference, taxes, and any seat availability. Review them carefully so you know the total cost. If you have a voucher or travel credit, apply it here. Confirm the price breakdown before hitting Continue to avoid unexpected charges. Finalize the rebooking by completing payment for any change fee, fare difference, and taxes. Use card, voucher, or miles if eligible. After payment, download or save the updated itinerary and new e-ticket. Immediately verify passenger names, dates, times, and connection buffers. Make sure boarding times and baggage allowances match your needs. If you don't receive confirmation or seats aren't assigned, call Qatar Airways or visit the airport.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.